In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default export file type to a PDF file format in GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Export File Type, click the drop down and select where it says PDF or Portable Document Format and select OK to save that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.